And here's the download page. And before we get into the actual course, they actually have these special discounts that you can buy if you like. And I think 40% of the people that get this buy this because there's so much in there. And let's just look at some of these items. There's quite a bit on gardening, gardening package here. There's a complete guide to home vegetable gardening, organic gardening, your perfect lawn, how to attract butterflies, how to make bonsai trees, complete guide to wildflowers, herbs, 101 plant, grow and cook. Also a green living package, going green, how to reduce pollution, go green, save green at the same time, living green, what you can do to protect the environment. This is a big one here, save money at the gas pump package. I'll go backwards here. The whole truth about hybrid cars, gas saving devices, 62 ways to save money at the gas pump. And this one here, how to make your car run with water and gas. I've actually done this. Here's my car, my Lexus. I made another review site. I'm into this green energy stuff and water for gas reviews separated by hyphen. And this product here, gas for free, costs like $97 and it's worth it too. And basically these I've done 4 of these on different cars that I've had and for a friend, and you increase your mileage by around 35%. You're using water and gas, not just water rather. Okay, let's go back to the offers. Here's a save money at home package. Energy saving tips for your home. 15 ways to save money. 10 surefire ways to cut down on your grocery bills. Recession survival package. Recession survival, how to profit from an economic recession. 101 best fixes to boost your credit score. Totally debt-free lifestyle, how to prosper during bad times. And then the exclusive package here, how to make your own hot water heater, and another water for gas or car to H2O, another one of those guides, and my organic food garden. Now all this is just for one small extra fee. It is extra, but like I said, 40% of the people do get it because you're getting 24 ebooks for one small fee. So anyways, I just wanted to talk about that. And now let's talk about the download area for the guides. And you'll get a download, a PDF for the solar manual, also to make a wind turbine, and there's also bonus books right here, electrical wiring plans for solar panels, installing and mounting a solar panel guide, consumer guide, wind map, renewable energy guide. Also too, there's a video series here, and you'll wanna watch all those. How to make wind blades, solar panel, batteries, required tools for building a solar panel, so forth and so on. And also they have a new bonus video library, and they have a considerable amount of videos and showing how to make a wind turbine using an alternator, and just all sorts of other bonus videos basically. And that's really just extra. Get your free gift of biodiesel, and also too, another right here is where can you go to get the parts. So they tell you where to get all the different parts and tools that you need, which is kind of helpful. And also too, for the tax rebate, because you will get a tax credit for this. So they actually show you, like if you're in the US, they show you, they just direct you, just out of convenience really, how to get that residential energy efficient property credit. And so, that's helpful as well. Okay, let's get into the manuals now. Here's a table of contents for these solar panels. Has an introduction, solar panels in you, photovoltaic system types, making your home energy efficient, changing your daily habits, some generic things here. Before you start your project, determining the best PV or photovoltaic system for you, and then the DIY or do-it-yourself PV panel assembly, the do's and don'ts. I'll just go into some of these. I'll have to blur out some of this because it'll be copyrighted. They talk about the electrical circuitry and photovoltaic systems. Here's some more here. They also talk about determining the best PV system for you. And then they have solar maps that shows your solar potential in your area. They talk about show you all you need to know about batteries. They also have videos on that as well, and all the different parts you'll need for assembling a panel, and the different dimensions that you'll be needing, the different measurements and such. Also how to solder the panels, which is very important. And let's go over to the making a wind turbine, and here's the table of contents. So how do DC motors work and as a power generator, and they show you about the blades and the hub, the mounting, the tower, the charge controller, and how everything works. They show you what type of what motors to get, and then they talk about the actual blade assembly, how to make the blades. Here they have the different dimensions on how to cut the blades, and here's a final on the blades and how they look after they're all done. This concludes our tour of the ebook Earth for Energy, showing you how to build solar panels as well as windmills.